All right, waffle time. David Weaver has up a beautiful Sexton Firebird. 10-year anniversary up for waffle. 1 through 16. Good luck. I got 7:19 start time. Here's the proof from David. Let's get a fresh random page. 1 through 16. Here's a secure lock and the valid certificate. We are all set. Good luck, everyone. Lucky winner. 10. 10 is taking this one. Congratulations. Lucky number 10 winner. Great hit. $7.19. Lucky number 10. That's going to be Josh Fish. Josh with the win. Congratulations. Great hit. Congrats, winner. Y'all have a good night. 7:20 end time.